Yeah, right. We've changed the pattern. So now those storms are coming into the west coast, and with more of a zonal pattern or west to east pattern in the jet stream, they're then coming here, and we're kind of on the edge of this bubble of warmth here in the middle of the country. So now we're kind of in the path of the jet stream and getting one system after another. So you can see the next one arriving on Wednesday. Then there'll be a break on Thursday. The one after that arrives on Friday. And then things may get a little bit more interesting late in the weekend as we go from Sunday night into Monday, as we may potentially spin up another storm coming up the coast. So the pattern very active here. We've got the weather alert for Wednesday. Rain is going to change to snow. This is going to slow down the evening commute and make roads a little bit slippery. On Friday, it's more of a wintry mix. Late day into the overnight, there could be some icing with that one. And the question mark comes with Monday and that potential coastal storm. And we say potential because our computer models are showing a storm now. They're just not agreeing on where that storm is going to be. Take a look at this GFS model, the American model. It is in a position right here near what we call the benchmark to give us a very significant storm. This would be a nor'easter with a whole lot of snow. But look at the European model. This finally is showing a storm. Yesterday it wasn't, but it's pretty far out. If this happened, we wouldn't get much of anything. So that is still way out before we even get to this storm potential. We've got a couple more to get through. So the pattern very active. We did have some snow showers and flurries this morning. Those have pretty much ended. Last of a few flakes here dropping from Haverhill out to Gloucester, Cape Ann. These are going to be winding down pretty shortly. You can see the trend on these over the past few hours. They're finally diminishing as this weak little system continues to pass by to our north and east. So we'll keep a lot of clouds in place this afternoon. Temperatures holding in the upper 30s. And as we get into the evening hours, notice it's just a slow drop in the temperatures. So we're in the upper 30s to near 40 in the next few hours. And then we don't drop all that much overnight as we hang on to the cloud cover. In fact, it stays mostly cloudy through the overnight. So don't expect temperatures to drop too much. Upper 20s to low 30s tonight for your overnight lows. And then tomorrow we're going to warm it up a little bit. We've got that weather alert, but we've got rain moving in the afternoon because look, we're going to be inching up toward 40 degrees before any sort of precipitation moves on in. And with temperatures like this, it is going to be hard to start with anything but rain across much of the area. So that weather alert for the afternoon hours on Wednesday, rain will change to snow. This will impact the evening commute, but I think the roads become most slick after the sun goes down. So after dark tomorrow is when I would be a little bit more concerned. Let me step you through it hour by hour. This is noontime tomorrow, so about 24 hours from now, we're just going to start to see some light rain breaking out near the Pike Point south. There may be a few flakes of snow mixed into the north, but then we'll start to change that snow over as colder air drains down from the north and particularly in the higher elevations. We go from 6 to 9 p.m. and you can see how that snow is steady. So it's a fairly steady swath of snow through about 9 or 10 o'clock at night. And then once we get toward midnight, it is starting to diminish and move on out of the area, and it will be gone on Thursday. So there's not a large window of opportunity to accumulate the snow. I think it's just a few hours time. So it's a coating to an inch where we see that changeover last down toward the South Coast, Cape and the islands. Elsewhere, I think a widespread 1 to 3 inches of snow and the potential for a little bit more, 3 to 5 inches potentially, with the highest elevations off to the north and west. It's all in the position of this frontal boundary here, separating the cold from the warm air. Once this goes by, we do get a one-day break on Thursday with some sunshine, and then here comes the next system on Friday. This may start as snow as a wintry mix and then go over to rain, but that one kicks out on Saturday morning, and we have a little break in the action for Saturday afternoon and much of the day on Sunday. If we were to get that coastal storm, it would look to arrive in the overnight hours Sunday into Monday, which would be the day the kids go back to school after this week of school vacation week. So we'll be watching it for you. Lots to watch, certainly, in the days.